It's a 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Stelvio's voluptuous body wraps around a turbocharged engine, sure-footed chassis, and meticulously crafted leather interior. It's the SUV only Italy could build. And all 2019 models have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and refrigerated box located in the console. In the face of the most challenging terrain, this Alfa Romeo stands tall. Stelvio is a high-performance SUV with the heart and soul of a hero. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.
For value.